So here we are at Trail Days, and look who we came across. Underground Quilts. UGQ, right?
That's
yeah,
right.
Yeah, got it. It's hard to say.
Oh, no,
UGQ, I did it.
Most people call us UGO, so.
A
little tail there.
Yeah, I was better than that.
As long as you can recognize the logo, that's all that matters.
That's right.
So listen, I did a video probably, going on a year ago, singing the praises of this company. I didn't even know these guys. I bought one of their bandit quilts. I've been using it ever since. I think the video was titled my top 5 gear items, and it was one of my top 5. So glad to meet you guys. Love your product, and just want to know, what's going on with UGQ these days?
Well, we're here at Trail Days to get the word out about our company because, we've been in business for 7 years, but we stayed fairly small for 5.5 of those years. And we want to let the backpacker community know that there are other options for high-quality down-filled quilts, whether you're looking for a top quilt for sleeping in a tent or under a tarp, or hammock quilts. We make both. We also make backpacking and hammock camping tarps. So there are other options out there besides a lot of the better-known companies. We believe in providing a quality piece of gear at a cost-effective price. So if you do some shopping, you'll discover that our value is way up.
And that's how I found you guys. I was doing my shopping, and actually a buddy of mine is a hammock camper, and so he was already familiar with your products. He told me about you, and I bought one, and like I said, we will be buying more in the future.
Good, we appreciate it.
Yeah, you bet. It's great to meet you guys.
Yeah, awesome.
All right.
Too. Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Thanks.
All right.
Have a good one.
All right.